Welcome to Photoshop number 2. Let's get started here. Go to the classroom, open Photoshop 2 from the assignments, directions. Here we go. Drag the photo of the street with police cars from the classroom to the desktop and then open Photoshop. And then drag it into Photoshop actually. So open the photo first. Always open it first and then drag it to the desktop. I've already done that. And then if you forgot how to open Photoshop, you go up here to this guy. You're going to sign in, and then you can open Photoshop. When you do, then you can drag in the photo. Here we go. Again, to zoom in, it's Command plus. To zoom out, it's Command minus. To have it fill the frame, it's Command 0. And I will make this bigger for everyone. Actually, I'm going to move this over probably. Put the directions on the other side. Let's see here. All right, here we go. Again, Command 0 to fill the frame. Let's get started. Using the crop tool, crop out the very far left green pole out of the photo. All right, so I'm going to go to this guy here. It is the fifth one down. It's a crop tool. I'm going to crop out this pole over here. So I'm going to move it in. When I'm done cropping, I'm just going to press return on the keyboard. I'll do it again for anyone that missed it. I'm going to click on this crop tool here. It's the fifth one down. And I will move it over to get rid of that green pole. When I'm done, I press enter or return on the keyboard. Here we go. All right, using the curves, make the entire photo darker. It's the third over in the top row of the adjustments. Okay. We're going to go over to the adjustments on the right side. We're going to find, what does it say? Curves to make the entire photo darker. So I'm going to click curves. And I'm going to click in the middle. I'm just going to drag down. Right there is good. Right there is good. Okay. Using the dodge tool, it looks like a lollipop. Make the police cars lighter. Make sure you're on a background layer. Okay. I'm going to go over here. It's this guy right here, the dodge tool. We're going to use it on the police cars. Now, to make that circle bigger, it's a right bracket. To make it smaller, it's a left bracket. Before we can use it, we need to be on the background layer. And we're going to use it on the police cars to make them lighter. And you can go over it several times and it'll keep making it lighter. I'm going to do it a little bit more than I normally would so you guys can definitely see the difference. You know what I mean? There we go. Using the burn tool, it's under where the dodge tool is. You just have to click, hold, and let go. Make the trees and buildings darker. Okay, so I'm going to go back over to where the dodge tool is. Change it to the burn tool. And we're going to use it on the buildings and the trees. Today is just very basic edits. We'll get more into having like more advanced edits. Today is just like the real basic, like how to change color, how to make things lighter and darker, all that kind of stuff. Give me 1 second here. Okay, we're back here. Almost done here. There's 2 more steps left. I don't know what's going on here. All right, here we go. Use the spot healing brush tool, make the white line in the foreground disappear. All right, we're going to go to this guy here, spot healing brush tool. And again, if you want to make the circle bigger and smaller, it's the brackets. Left bracket makes it smaller, right bracket makes it bigger. I do have kids in here, so that's why it's louder. All right, so we're just going to drag over this. I'm just going to get rid of it. All right, when you're done, go to File, Save As. Name it, basically name it just your name and just number 2. So we're going to go to File, Save As. Then you're going to click Save a Copy. Make sure the format is a JPEG. I would put it on a desktop, and then again, I would name it your name, and then like 2 since it's Photoshop 2. You can name it whatever. You can do you can do your name and then street or whatever. I don't care. Just name it something you can find. Put it on a desktop. Press save, and then push OK. It's now on your desktop. Then you can turn it in. That is Photoshop 2 for 21st century journalism.